welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to download Google Chrome to your desktop. We'll first start off by logging into your computer and going to Internet Explorer. In the URL address bar, type in Google Chrome and hit Enter. We'll go to the second option down that says Chrome Web Browser, and by loading that page, you'll find the download button. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and accept and install. At the bottom of your screen, you'll receive a pop-up asking you to either run, save, or cancel the download. Today we'll select Run. You'll receive a pop-up asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. Once you've done this, the program will begin downloading and will finalize by installing the actual program. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've just downloaded Google Chrome. For more videos, please stay tuned.